Kapuki Kids!
Oops, it fell.
Hello! Me and Bianca are sowing some flower seeds.
Broccoli.
And broccoli as well.
Yeah.
For these plants to grow well, they need water.
Yeah.
The ducky watering can. Go ahead. We'll get lovely yellow flowers. And purple. And broccoli. What do we have for breakfast today?
Fit cookie.
Fit cookie? Brilliant! We need to go get milk from the store then. Shall we take chocolate?
Yeah.
Let's call him. Bianca, will you?
Yeah. Hello? Chocolate, how are you?
We're on our way.
We're on our way.
Now let's go.
Oh, I need to clean my teeth, quick. Oh. Thanks for your help, Bianca. A little bit more, please. Well, let's squeeze out some toothpaste. More tasty toothpaste. Have you cleaned your teeth today? Yeah. Well done. Now I need to wash my face. Turn on the tap. Wow. Oh yeah, lovely, lovely. Oh, and I need to brush my ears. Well, it's so quick when you help. Oh, I'm ready. Let's go get some milk. Let's go get some milk.
We're going to get milk from a shop in this big blue car. Where's Bianca's car seat?
There.
Sit here. Let's strap in you and chocolate, okay? First off, Bianca. And then chocolate.
Oh no! Oh, my collar has come off. Okay, there we go. Are we ready to go, Bianca? Ready.
Now Mom is ready too. Let's go.
Chocolate can't see anything.
Put him closer to the window so he can see everything. Can you see?
Whoa, it's so interesting outside. Are we there yet? We aren't there yet. We're still driving, Chocolate. I see. We aren't there yet, Chocolate. Woof, woof. Why aren't we going anywhere? Are we there yet? Yeah.
No, the traffic light was red. Now it's green. And now we're here. Okay, girls, let's get out.
The store!
Hold on, Bianca. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Let's run to the store. There's the entrance. Let's go.
Let's catch up to Mom. Quick!
We can ride around the store in a car. Let's close the door. And we're off. Where's the milk here? Milk? No, these are cups. Is this milk, Bianca? Milk?
No.
No. They're bread rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Bianca, now let's try riding in the yellow car.
Okay, off to the parking lot. Whoop. Let's open this lock. Let's close the door. And the lock. Let's go. Reversing.
Oh no, I think I like the red one better. Chocolate!
Chocolate. The lock. And let's finally go find the milk we need.
Yeah!
Yeah! We found the milk aisle. Lots and lots of milk. Come on out. Bianca, we need to put the milk in our cart. Which one do you like the best? With the cow. Moo!
Moo!
Add it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Looks like enough, right, Bianca?
Back in the car!
Back in the car. We need to go to the cashier.
To the cashier. Now turn left.
Turning left. We've paid for everything.
We paid with little coins. That milk would go so well with a cookie. Woof, woof. Let's go get a cookie now, please, Bianca.
Whoops, the door opened. Now we're at a cafe. Let's wipe down the table so that it's clean. Take a wipe, Bianca. Good job. Now let's wipe our hands. And now we can eat.
This looks tasty.
Try it, Bianca. Is it good?
It's hot.
No, it's not hot. It's warm. They warmed it up. Do you want milk?
No, thank you.
You don't? Then we'll give it to Chocolate. And you keep eating your cookie.
Oh, the milk is so tasty. How's the cookie? That's tasty too.
And I'll have milk too. Mmm. It's so fun going to the shops together. Do you sometimes help your mom with the groceries? Make sure to always help and to watch our new video on our channel. Bye-bye. Bianca, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Woof, woof.
Kapuki Kids! Hello! Today we're taking the kids to the beach.
Emily wants to swim.
First, Bianca gets into the car. What do we need to do?
Put on my seatbelt.
Bianca has a pink car seat.
And Carl? Carl's seat? Is it purple?
This is Carl's seat, Bianca's little brother. But today, Emily will sit in it.
Shall we buckle up?
We definitely will. Girls, are you ready? Yes, we're going to the sea.
Emily likes riding in the car. So do I. I'll take a little bag for Emily.
What's in the bag?
Bottles. She wants some milk, I think. Here, drink. And this water in the big bottle is for Bianca. Thank you.
Take off your shoes, Emily.
What a funny swimsuit.
A beautiful swimsuit.
So you don't burn.
Thank you.
Let's put water wings on Emily.
All right. All done.
Thank you for putting wings on me too.
You're welcome.
This way I won't drown. I do not like the waves, so I'll fill up my paddling pool. Let's fill the pool using this bucket. More!
Bianca added sand! Like the actual sea, not a pool, just without waves. Emily also wants to go into the pool. A waterfall!
Can I have a go? More water, please.
The kids are playing so nicely, but they need to rest a bit and have a little snack like apricots. Apricots!
Yum, yum, yum. Want some? Thank you.
Emily? And for Mom?
And for me.
And Emily has baby food.
What's this?
It's an apple. Maybe we'll treat Turtle to an apple.
Emily.
Emily.
And I found cookies. Num, 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 num. So tasty. Are you full?
Yes. Now we'll rest a bit, and then we'll keep playing and having a good time. Until next time, goodbye.
Let's play some more.
Kapuki Kids! Hello! Who's coming here?
It's me, Bianca.
Are we going to ride the unicorns?
Yeah!
Hooray! Get your turtle.
I'm scared of unicorn rides, and I am not scared.
Then let's go. Hold on. So fun. Let's go.
Not for real.
No, for fun. Turtle, we can swing you on the swing. Do you want to do that?
I really do, yeah. The purple one! We'll swing on the purple one! Hooray!
Hold tight.
Oh, that's great! More! Spinning, spinning! Oh, that's a delicious juice!
Kids, come on in.
We are here! Whoa, it's so nice in here! Do you want ice cream? Well, yes, I do, please. Strawberry! Yeah, strawberry! A real one? No, I'm a toy. I want a toy one. Like a bed.
Let's help her sit so she can eat, while we make our own ice cream. To make ice cream, we need sand. A spoon like this.
How does it open?
A mold. And you eat it. Yum, 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 yum.
How do I open it?
With scissors.
Oh, sure.
Open, cut, cut, cut.
Just don't break scissors that you use to trim my nails.
I won't. Now you put the sand in the lid carefully. Let's put it here.
I'm making strawberry ice cream.
Wow! What a lucky turtle! And a scoop of ice cream on top. So nice.
And on top, one of these.
Let's try it. Bianca, bring the turtle over here. Time to eat. Hurry up.
Just a minute. I came myself. Where's my ice cream? Hold on. You should wash your paws. Paws? I don't want to wash my paws. Why not? There might be germs sitting on ice cream. Really? Yes. I don't believe you. Yes, they're here.
Bianca, why don't we explain to Turtle how important it is to wash your hands?
Yes.
There are going to be hands here. Mine. And yours, Turtle. Which color do you like? Pink or green?
I like the green one.
Green, then.
Whoa, my paw!
And this is the dirt that is gathering during the day on our hands and your paws. Dirt! Dirt! If you don't wash your hands with soap, the dirt will stick to your fingers. Bianca, are you going to put your finger down?
No!
I will. Look. Uh-oh. What a dirty finger. When we wash our hands with soap and water, the dirt gets scared and runs away. Want to see it?
Whoa! The dirt is running away. It's scared of the soap. Whoa! The soap has made your hand clean, and my paw, too. Bianca, let's go and wash my paw. I want to eat my ice cream. Okay.
We're going to show Turtle a very pretty pink sink.
Look, a flamingo. A flamingo and a pink sink. Done. Now it's my turn.
Turn on the water. And don't forget the soap.
Why is that?
So that the dirt and germs run in different directions. Where do we put the towels?
There's a bin by the toilet.
Put them there.
There, it opens like this.
Well done!
Hop, 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 hop. Hey, Bianca, where's my ice cream? Over there. Let's go faster. Let's run.
Who's ready for some toy ice cream?
Turtle.
Mmm.
Yummy, so delicious. We didn't wash our paws for nothing. I'm going to get something nice to eat.
Good idea. Let's go. Turtle, you can eat. Look! Light bulb cocktails. Macaroons.
No.
And here, cake pops.
I chose some sweets and ice cream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
What will I choose?
What will Bianca choose?
Whoa, what's this? What's that? Marshmallows. What's this? What if you put this chocolate in the ice cream? Great! And you can treat your mom. Okay. This is for you, Mom.
Thank you, Bianca. I don't even know whose dessert is better. Mine, Bianca's, or the turtles.
Yummy, yummy, so delicious. Do you want it?
Ah, Bianca found a cake for me. A tiny cake.
Eat it.
I'll try a little bit, okay?
How was it?
Yum, 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 yum.
Let's eat the ice cream.
Okay, enjoy it.
Thank you all. Now I'm not afraid to wash my paws. And I guess I'm not afraid to ride unicorns either. Will you give me a ride? Of course I will.
Which unicorns do you like?
This one. That's great. I'll ride the unicorn.
And I think I'll put all the toys away here. Did you like going to the cafe with us?
Yes. I learned how to wash my hands. Here's another one. It's a blackberry.
Do you wash your hands before you eat? We'll see you next time on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Next time, I want an apple ice cream.